Alright, time to refurbish this bad boy. Ontario. Rusty galore, as you can see. Scales aren't too bad of condition, just has that gap in there in the middle between that tang. I'm thinking I might refurbish these, just knock off these pins and use some other pins. Definitely going to be a challenge getting the rust off those grooves around the logo, and definitely right there, as you can see. And I'm talking about inside the tank, because this is all rusty. I know that for a fact. I've done these so many times. Let's see how straight she is. She looks pretty good, so I don't have to worry about that. Other than that, overall shape, excellent. So let's go do this. Let's get into the shop. It's hot out here. Alright, first things first, let's knock off these pins. Here I'm using a special bit, and we're going to go right in the middle of it. I didn't pre-tap it, I'm just going to go right with it. Let's do this. Alright, not too bad. Just a little bit of damage over here, but that's nothing. That's just surface damage. So, very good. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, we can see unevenly ground. No wonder. Or it must have warped over the years. So, file that off to the side. Let's take a look at the blade. Not too bad. Now the fun part, right? Getting all this rust off of her. Yeah. All right. She's been in here overnight, and look at that. Everything's coming off. See that? Start to read that name, huh? Yep. Not sure what this is. So she's gonna clean up really good. See the other side. That's looking pretty good. So rust is completely off. Just gotta clean it off now, and then we're going to buff it out, and yeah, this vinegar is no longer useful. Alright, next step, I got to shave these down, because right now they're warped. Alright, that's looking a lot better. What do you think? See that? Way better. Much tighter. Just how you want it. Right? There we go. That's how you want it to be. And not have a gap. And then the bottom is because I'm holding up top, so it should be the same. Ready? Yep, sure enough, same thing. So the next step is to polish her all up. So let's do that. keep your blade cool. So I'm reaching over and dunking it into water. Another thing I like to do, put the compound right over the blade. Alright, let me show you what I got going on over here. I'm trying to figure out what kind of pins I'm going to use. So I have these little tube pins, which would be cool, but then you have that countersunk section to deal with, so that wouldn't look too proper. So best thing I could find, other than ordering the right pins, is these here. They're the right diameter. Still not good enough, so I'm going to have to find a washer for that, or I'm going to make a washer. I just ground the surface of these scales as well as the bottom. You saw me do that earlier. I know I took out the old Hichory stamp that was here, but that's okay because I want a fresh surface, because it was just dirty beyond who knows what was embedded in there, grease and nasty juice from different meats and whatnot. Anyways, so now my next problem is I gotta countersink this a little deeper. So here's my bit. And we're about to do this, right? Shot me here nice and tight. Get right about there. Not too much. That should be good. Same thing on the other side. Very good. All right, so that should do it. Now here's a tip for you guys. Whenever you're drilling such things like this, you want to hold this down as hard as you can. Because if this thing gets caught on this wood, it'll just chew it right through, and there goes your whole project. So free tip to you from the D-Man. Now it's time to put a screaming edge on her, right? Let's do this. To the other side. Now this side. Now this side. That side's good. Very good. Now this side. I like that. Now from here to the west stone. Hey, special shout out to my green water. That's right. That's not a problem. Yep, it's not contaminated, guys. Yep, my west stone is inside the green water. Painted water. But that's cool. It's my stone. So YouTube police, stay off my back or I will attack, and you don't want that. Kids, don't try this at home. As you can see, I've been doing this shit for years. Always keep your finger down. Look at that. Okay? You don't wanna ever do this. Now, yep, very sharp. Don't do that at home, kids. Leave that to somebody like me. Now with these smaller stones, you can sharpen it like this. To show you, very sharp. So don't ever try this at home, kids.